Hello guys, welcome back again with me. Here I would like to read this article about European energy US GDP revision, Nvidia warning forex moving market. Before that, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Europe's energy crisis is becoming an industrial crisis. The US released revised second quarter GDP figures and more up-to-date weekly jobless claims. China's government tops up its stimulus package, and Nvidia is hit by a new reduction to its sales guidance. Here's what you need to know in financial markets on Thursday. 1. Europe's energy crisis won't end. Europe's energy crisis is turning into an industrial crisis. Last week, some of the biggest zinc and aluminum smelters on the continent shut down due to high power prices. This week, the late surge in gas price had forced fertilizer mix in Norway, the UK, and Poland to idle capacity, unable to pass those prices on to their farming customer base. A shortage of fertilizer threatens to put downward pressure on crop yield next year, which will keep food prices higher than they would have been otherwise. Benchmark European gas price topped €300 a megawatt hour early Thursday. At this level, German European-like economy will have to spend over 8% of its GDP to sustain its gas habit. German GDP carried out a 0.1% gain in the second quarter, but IFO's monthly business survey confirmed is on track for a drop of around 0.5% in the current quarter. To make matters worse, Electric Defense said it would have to delay the restart of several reactors which have been closed for maintenance this year, prolonging the squeeze on electricity prices. 2. Jobless claim GDP revision due boosting form of possible 75 BP hike. The US will release the revised figure for second quarter gross domestic product at 8.80, with analysts expecting a small upward revision that will do little to change the broader narrative of an economy being deliberately slowed down by the monetary policy. The price component of the data are likely to far in the past to affect the current outlook meaningfully. Of more interest will be the weekly jobless claims number, whose suppressing streak last week supported argument that the economy can withstand higher interest rates easing enough. The markets remain focused on Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell's keynote speech at Jackson Hole on Friday. Expected that the next interest rate hike will be only 50 basis points. Maybe that's all. Thank you very much. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you.